Under a sky full of stars, Dottie the baby Dalmatian yawned a big, sleepy yawn. She'd spent her day chasing butterflies, tumbling through daisies, and wagging at everything.
Artlist.io.
Now, tucked in a soft basket by the fireplace, she curled her spotted belly into a ball. Mama nudged her gently and hummed a warm lullaby. The fire crackled softly, and Dottie's eyes fluttered shut. In her dreams, she chased stars across a meadow of clouds. Night-night, little Dottie,
Music
the world
licensing
whispered.
reimagined.